Are you drowning in your blankets too?
Good news, I have the solution you've been looking for. Take your blankets from this to this. And I know I have enough blankets to survive in Antarctica, but this video is not about that. I'm going to show you step by step how to fold a blanket so it's compact and will remain folded. Start by laying or holding your blanket out flat. Then fold it like a hot dog. I feel old using that reference for some reason, but since we're here, fold it like a hot dog again. Now that you've done the double hot dog fold, take one end and fold it about 1/4 of the way down. Then fold the other end 1/4 of the way down and fold that end again. That's 2 times. Now this is where the magic happens. Take the double folded end and tuck it into the single folded end. There will be a secret pocket and it'll tuck right into it. Now you have a nicely tucked in and folded blanket. It could also double as a pillow or a pocket pillow blanket. It doesn't know what it wants to be, but I know what it's going to do, and that is to save you space, not come unfolded, and tidy up your blankets. I will say too, if the blanket is smaller or thicker, it also works if you only do a single fold on each end. The magic pocket is still there. If you like this video, please be sure to like it and hit that subscribe button if you're interested in future similar content. As you can see, this works for pillowcases, big blankets, small blankets, and even those pesky fitted sheets. If you need to slow it down, rewind it, pause it, screenshot it, do whatever you need to do. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave a comment down below if you have questions.